Hey guys, it's Sup Kids Cooking!
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Sammy,
and we're the hosts of Sup. Welcome to day 5 of Sup's Christmas cookies.
Sup's 12 days of Christmas cookies. Okay, today we are making Spitzbuben from Switzerland.
And that means Bratty Little Boys.
Or another translation would be the best cookie you would ever have during the holidays.
These are very popular in Switzerland and Germany around the holidays. People love them.
Yes. Okay, so let's get into the ingredients.
Here's what we'll need. 1 cup of sugar, 1 1/4 cup butter, which is 2 1/2 sticks, 2 1/4 cups of ground almonds, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3 1/4 cups of sifted all-purpose flour, apricot, strawberry, or raspberry jam, or any kind that you like.
We're using red raspberry.
And confectioner sugar. Just to remind you, Sup's 12 Days of Christmas Cookies is where every day leading up to Christmas, we make a different cookie from a different place around the world.
Yes.
First, we're going to beat the sugar and butter together until they're light and fluffy.
Alright, let's get into it. And we're going to use this electric hand mixer.
Next, we're going to add the almonds and vanilla extract.
The almonds and the vanilla have a very great flavor and they add very good richness, and the texture of those almonds are really nice.
Now we're going to add the flour, mix it, and then knead until it's smooth.
Alright, let's do it. Until smooth. It's 2 hours later, and we chilled it for 2 hours, obviously, as you can see.
Now we're going to put flour on the table and roll out the dough to 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch, and the thinner it is, the better. Once it's rolled out really thinly, you're going to use cookie cutters and cut them out into shapes. Place the cookies on a lightly buttered and floured cookie sheet.
We just finished rolling and cutting our cookies out. Now we're going to put them in the oven.
Now you're going to spread the jelly on the cookies and put them together.
Alright. I recommend using a knife or a spoon. If you're using raspberry preserves, you can use strawberry preserves.
Or jelly, jam, apricot, any other kind you want.
Anyone that you get at the local farmer's market.
And then you're going to dust it with some powdered sugar.
Now we're going to eat our Spitzbuben. Really good. I recommend.
Thanks to ChristmasCookies.com, where we got all of our recipes.
Yes, thank you very much.
Roy by nothing. Merry
Roy